Stop everything you're doing. For the last few years, we've heard the same story. Every September, Apple stands on a stage and tells us that the new iPhone is the best they've ever made. And usually that means a slightly better camera, a slightly faster chip, and maybe a new color that looks suspiciously like the old one. But 2026 is different. Right now, in the secret labs of Cupertino, Apple isn't just working on an upgrade. They are working on a pivot, a fundamental shift in what a smartphone actually is. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the device that is rumored to finally kill the incremental update era once and for all. If you are holding an iPhone 14, 15, or even the 16 right now, you are holding a relic. Because what is coming in the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a phone. It's a 2-nanometer powerhouse that is about to change your relationship with technology forever. And today, we are going to pull back the curtain on every single leak, every supply chain whisper, and every secret Apple doesn't want you to know yet. By the end of this video, you will understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the most controversial, most powerful, and most expensive gamble in Apple's history. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the A20 Pro chip. For years, we've been stuck in the world of 3-nanometer architecture. It was fast, sure. It was efficient, absolutely. But we've hit a wall. To go further, Apple had to shrink the world. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the first consumer device on the planet to feature a 2-nanometer processor. Now, you might be thinking, who cares about nanometers? You should. This jump to 2 nanometers allows Apple to cram billions of more transistors into a space smaller than your fingernail. We're talking about a performance leap that isn't 10% or 15%. We are looking at a generational shift in raw computational power. This chip isn't just for opening Instagram faster. It's built for one thing and one thing only: the Apple Intelligence Revolution. We've seen the early stages of AI on the iPhone, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max is where it becomes live. Imagine a phone that doesn't just wait for your commands but anticipates them. A phone that uses its onboard neural engine to process your entire life. Your emails, your schedule, your tone of voice, locally, without ever sending a single byte of data to the cloud. This is the promise of the A20 Pro. It's a silicon beast that makes the previous M-series chips look like calculators. And it's not just about speed. It's about heat and battery. The 2 nanometers process is so efficient that for the first time in years, we might actually see a Pro Max that doesn't just last a day, but pushes deep into a second day of heavy use. But a fast chip is useless if you can't see what it's doing. Let's talk about the display. For the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is finally doing the unthinkable. They are shrinking the dynamic island. Since the iPhone 14 Pro, that little pill at the top of your screen has been a constant companion. But according to the latest supply chain reports from Asia, Apple has successfully moved the Face ID flood illuminator and proximity sensors directly under the display. This doesn't mean the island is gone, not yet, but it's becoming a dynamic dot. A tiny, unobtrusive circle that gives you more screen real estate than ever before. We are looking at a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR display that hits a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. To put that in perspective, that is